Hello everyone, I'm Renita. Welcome to my channel. First of all, I wish all my subscribers and viewers a thrilled new year. May this year bring you and your loved ones good health, happiness, success, and plenty of memorable moments. Now let's get back to the recipe. In today's video, I will show how I made delicious egg pastries or egg puff pastries using Pepperidge Farm frozen ready-to-bake puff pastry dough sheets. These pastries turned out super tasty and I can't wait to share the recipe with you. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And of course, hit the bell icon and select all notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Let's start with the ingredients. The quantities I will share will serve 8 to 10 people, so it's perfect for a small gathering. Then I will walk you through how to prepare them. Be sure to watch till the end as I will share useful tips, tricks, alternates and many types of pastry folds to make perfect puff pastries every time, even if you are not a seasoned baker like me. I have many other puff pastry recipes, detailed folding techniques and how-to videos. I will share their links below. I will publish many more puff pastry videos this month and the coming month, so please stay tuned. So let's get started. To make the filling in a cast iron karai, I have heated sunflower oil about 4.5 tablespoons till steaming hot. To it, I have added half piece of a bay leaf, nigella seeds 1 teaspoon and cumin 1 teaspoon. I fried them till golden brown. Then I added chopped garlic 1/4 cup. I fried it in medium heat for 1 minute or till golden brown. Then I added diced red onion 4 cups and salt half teaspoon. I fried in medium to high heat for 2 minutes. Then I added grated ginger 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, Kashmir red chili powder half teaspoon and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. I fried them for another 3 to 4 minutes or till the onion became brown in color. Then I added diced tomato 3/4 cup, chopped green chili 1.5 teaspoon and homemade Bengali garam masala half teaspoon. I cooked in medium to high heat for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then I added chopped coriander leaves or cilantro half cup and salt half teaspoon, not captured here. I cooked them for another 3 to 4 minutes in medium to high heat. The filling must be as much dry as possible without burning it. It's a must step. After 3 minutes, I added lime juice from 1/4 of a lime and sugar half teaspoon. I cooked for another 2 minutes. The filling looks done, so I tasted it and as per my taste, I added salt 1/4 teaspoon more. I mixed them well and switched off the gas stove. I then added hard-boiled eggs 6 pieces and mix them together with the onion filling so that the spices enter the eggs till the filling cools down to room temperature. This will make the eggs taste better. I have preheated the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes in the bake mode. For the puff pastry dough sheet, I have taken Pepperidge Farm frozen ready-to-bake puff pastry dough sheets 1 packet. It contains 2 sheets of approximately 11 by 15 inches each. Each sheet can give 2 to 6, ideally 4 to 6 puff pastries. The night before I made this pastry, I shifted the pastry packet to the regular refrigerator from the freezer or deep fridge so that it defrosts there slowly overnight. Then I have left it outside in the room temperature to defrost. I sprinkled all-purpose flour as per requirement on a chopping board. Then I rub the board with it so that the dough sheets don't stick to the board. I slowly and gently open the sheets one at a time. I then sprinkled all-purpose flour as per requirement on the dough sheet as well and rubbed it on the sheet with my hand. With a rolling pin, I have made the sheet plain and removed the folding marks on it but maintained the thickness of the sheet. Then I measure and plan on how to cut the sheet to get maximum number of egg puff pastries. After placing the egg, there must be a buffer area of 1 finger at least on each side to hold the filling and egg properly inside. I have got 5 pieces from one sheet. I can even get 6 pieces from one sheet. Thus 10 pieces from 2 sheets or 1 packet of Pepperidge Farm dough sheets. For the bigger pastry, I have put filling about 2 to 4 tablespoons on a sheet. I have cut an egg into halves and put them on the filling with the egg yolk facing downward on the filling. I have put some water at all 4 sides of the sheet to act as a glue and seal it. I have placed another sheet of similar size on top of it and pressed the ends with my fingers to seal the ends. It is good enough to hold the puff pastry together. It will give a fan-shaped fold. However, for a fancy design, with a fork I pressed the ends like this. Then with my hand I have pressed on top to distribute the filling equally inside the pastry. My first pastry shape is ready. In the same way, I have made other shapes and sizes. The dough is elastic, so it can be pulled or pushed inside to adjust into a desired shape. For triangular shapes, you can refer to my previous videos. The links will be shared in the description box. We can also make the filling a day or 2 before and store it in the refrigerator. However, before using it, the eggs and the filling must be warmed first and then cool down to the room temperature before using it in the pastry. For the envelope fold, I have followed the previous steps but folded the ends diagonally and pressed the ends together to seal them. Here is a tip. After every handling of the egg, clean the hand to get a clean pastry. The openings are pressed together to keep the filling inside it soft and moist. My third pastry shape is ready. For the boat-shaped or cone-shaped folding, I followed the previous process. The egg is placed diagonally, then one end is sealed diagonally. The ends can be left open or the narrow end can be sealed like this to give it a cone shape. I am not a very big fan of this fold as it exposes the filling and after baking it can become very dry and hard. From one sheet I got 5 shapes and sizes. I place them on a baking tray with a parchment paper or butter paper on it. They are placed in a way that they don't touch each other. For the glaze, I have used egg wash and milk wash to get golden brown color on top. For the egg wash, I have mixed 1 piece of egg with 3 teaspoons of milk and beaten them together to mix them. For the milk wash, I brushed 3 of the pastries with milk. For the rest, I have glazed with egg wash. Instead of milk, egg wash can be made with water and whipping cream as well. I place the trays in the middle of the preheated oven. I bake the pastries in convection mode or fan mode at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes in total. First, I baked for 15 minutes. Since I was not satisfied with the color, I baked for another 5 minutes at the same mode and temperature. The total baking time will depend upon the make, model and size of the electric oven. After 20 minutes of baking, the pastries are beautifully baked and have a golden brown color. So I have taken the trays out and placed them outside to cool down a bit before serving. A big thank you to each and every one of you for your continuous love and support. Your trust and encouragement inspire me to create these detailed videos, and it's because of you that our busier family is almost 2000 strong. We have made it this far together. I cherish every moment of this journey with you. I'm back after 20 minutes. The pastries are extremely flaky and beautifully baked with wonderful golden brown glaze on top. It tastes beautiful. It serves 2 to 10 people. Please make it at home like this and share it with your friends and family members. Write in the comment box how it was. I read all comments. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon with the notification selected as all. You can also ask queries. I will love to answer them. If you have a different technique or a suggestion that you want to share for me and my BCR family, you are most welcome to do so. I will be back with another tasty recipe soon. Till then, ta-ta!